Hi guys. So I'm gonna voice over the Dandy's World Wiki fandom. This is my first try. I don't know if it's a good, but cover your ears or no. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Astro, more like bat.
Uh, what?
Astro!
Please don't look my way.
Por favor, please don't look my way. Boxton!
Oh my god.
Okay, Boxton, your music is awful. Give up your career.
I am not even a music artist, Shrimpo. I'm just a music box. Can't you see? Your light
Is annoying.
not this again.
Turn it off, Brightney.
No, never.
Your fault if we lose that.
So happy we made it off that floor.
Well, I'm not.
What, Shrimpo?
Let's go back.
Shrimpo, no, we're not going back up.
You never listen to me. I hate you, Cosmo. I hate tunes who float.
I feel very targeted.
I hate tunes who think they're the main topic.
Who else floats as much as me, Shrimpo? I'm very angry right now.
I hate do not answer. I hate fish.
What about shrimp?
Shrimp aren't fish. They're crustaceans.
You do listen my facts.
I really hate your facts. I would forget them if I could.
Bruh, I need help here right now. Hey, bud, why so serious? Haha.
I hate seals, shrimpos, winds.
Well, I suppose one could say you're one in aquarium. Ha 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 ha. You're wrong, crustacean. You lose. No, but the joke is krill and shrimp are both. You know what? Never mind. What I said. Whatever. No.
How dare you? You said that. How dare you? I hate your wings. I hate the fact that you're so loud.
Lil Shrimshin, what's up?
That's not my name. I hate it. I hate it. I hate it.
Uh-huh. Right. Uh-huh.
I hate you.
Wow, that was so interesting. Do you ever enjoy things?
No, never. I hate enjoy things. I hate you.
I never ask.
Rah! Be quiet.
Yeah, by prepochilne.
What did you mean about that in your language?
It means I rather not. Shrimpo.
Listen, you're ugly.
Shrimpo, you know I'm a mirror, yes?
An ugly one.
But Shrimpo, I reflect so.
No more talking. You're done talking right now, Joyride.
You know, you kids stand to be nicer, Shrimpo. No, never.
I hate you, Blitzen.
Sure. Shrimpo. Aw, Shrimpo, do you need a hug to turn that frown upside down right now? What else?
I hate hugs and I hate you right now.
Never mind. Hey, my amigo Shrimpo. How are you feeling today, buddy?
If I had a sharp pen, I will pop you. Stay away from my Pookie Whippy Bear! Don't worry, my Pookie, I will gonna save you.
What? Honey? I'll put thumbtacks in your room. I'll check, on you later then. Bye, I guess? I don't know. And you, Connie, don't make anything so weirdly.
I'm really already confused right now. I hate your ribbon!
Well, I really like it right now. But why did you say that?
Oh! Ah! Stay away from my fucking ribbon! Don't worry about the I'm gonna save you!
Dazzle, you okay? Could be better.
Or you could be worse! Shrimpo, stop it. You're gonna hurt Dazzle's feelings.
He's right.
I'm always right. I'm Shrimpo.
Don't listen to him. He's crazy right now. Okay, I won't listen to him.
That was cute. Alright, next up, ni hao, Shrimpo. Is there a reason you so very spiteful here? What did you call me right now, Roger? You British man? Spiteful? I'm taking offense to that. Right. Let's take this interview later. Hello. Good morning, everyone, in this British accent right now. You're awful. I like dogs more than cats, and I hate dogs.
I'm not even really a cat technically.
You hiss, just like the cat. You're a cat too. Oh my god, you're gonna be kidding me. I'm not taking this from a little shrimp.
I don't like your tone, Shrimpo.
And I don't like your ear horn thingies. You take that back, you little shrimp. Shrimpo never apologizes. Except your brother. I hate you!
Me? Well, I guess that's just better than just, me, I guess?
I hate your dress.
You know, Glisten said he liked it.
I hate Blitzen and your dress.
What else do you hate, dear?
I hate that you ask what I hate. I hate elevators!
Actually, they are kinda scary if you think about it.
We're gonna crash! V. I hate television.
Are you done something or not?
I hate not having the last word right now.
That's it for today. I hope you guys are gonna like it and having a nice day. Bye.